Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize control center in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to customize your control center, so let's see how can you do that. But very first, I recommend to make a software update. So open your settings here, go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find any pending update, try to update your software, then go back from here, and after that you just have to scroll down your quick center, and here let's see how can you edit it or customize it. You can add or remove icons from here. You can rearrange your icons order. Simply tap on this plus option in the top left corner here. Once you tap on plus icon, now you can easily rearrange or replace your icons if you want. If you want to remove any icon, simply tap on this minus option and on top on the icon here to remove any icon. And if you want to add any other feature on any option here, just tap on add a control, and now you just have to add any control if you want to add on your control center. So you can easily add different controls from here. Just select the control which you want to add, and once you have done, you just have to tap on any empty place here, and your control center is ready now. So in this way, you can easily customize control center in any iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.